Hello you guys, welcome again. Welcome to the SFM Mentors, the place where you could learn digital skills. Today I want to talk to you guys about this time that we are living in. At this moment we know that all over the world economic is going really crazy. So how can we, all of us, give value to the world? How can we help each other? Because finally now you see you need to help each other. I'm here. My name is Troy. I'm here in Germany. I have my camping spot, and I'm shooting this video for you guys to help you guys out. So the reason why I'm shooting this video is to let people know that there is hope. There is hope for people to have a meaningful life. There's hope to learn. As long as you could learn, you could make it happen. And learning digital skills could be something that a lot of people not really think about. But at the same time, digital skills give you the opportunity to navigate through this whole system. At least for the time that you'll still be around. I think the next 50 years you have to know some digital skills. Imagine some time ago when you used to use the internet or buy things from the internet and buy your tickets to fly, whatever. People buy cars, houses, everything through the internet. But few people really think about how can I earn from the internet, and that's the reason why I'm here. I'm here to let you know there are possibilities, honest possibilities, to earn through the internet. But first you need to have some skills and some skills how to get along with the internet. What is it you need to do and how to do it. So check out my link here below and click on the button and go all in. You have a nice promotion, all in pack, meaning you have everything that you will need to navigate the internet, to serve the internet, but also to benefit yourself. So in the long run, if you partner with us, if you partner with the SFM, then you will see that although the whole world is like in master confusion, like everybody just running all over the place, there is ways to earn, there is ways to learn, and there is a lot you could do. So you guys join us and let's make this this world a better place. Although we know that it's very hard for a lot of people at this moment. So again, my name is Troy, and I'm just trying to give you some hope in this system. And you guys take care. I hope to see you in my next video. Okay, take care. Bye bye.